If you're new to my channel, my name is Isha from wealthwithisha.com, and today let's just talk about the trending course, which is an MRR course, very famous course called DWA. Let me explain to you guys what this is all about, how this works, and let me also help you guys choose if this is a business model that is suitable for you or not. So first of all, what is DWA? DWA is a digital marketing course that teaches you everything about affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media optimization, digital marketing. You will also learn a lot of useful tools that you need to succeed in your online digital business, which are ChatGPT, AI, automating your systems, creating your own funnels, creating your own digital products, and also creating your own online courses if that is what you wish. There are many industry experts that came all together and created a lot of modules for you guys that you can learn from. So consider this an online university where you will learn all the high income skills that are related with digital marketing. You'll also learn how to make money with UGC. You'll also learn how to create your own digital products, whether it's an online course or a blueprint or an ebook. What topics to choose and what niche you can select, you will be taught all of that inside of the modules. Now, DWA is not just an educational platform, it also comes with a community feel. So you become a part of a whole community that are already inside DWA and also running their own digital marketing businesses. Within a period of 10 months, the community has grown to over 78,000 people already. And by next year, 2025, in the beginning of Jan, we're estimated to have 100,000 members already inside. Now, how do you utilize DWA to your advantage other than the educational part and also do business with it? Now, DWA comes with something we call MRR, which means Master Resell Rights. Master Resell Right only means that once you purchase this digital product, which is the DWA course, it is a digital product. Once you purchase this, you get to own the rights to resell it and make 100% profit with it. Now, is this for you or not? What you have to think about is, do you want to spend all the time, money, effort, and resources to come up with your own course and take your time building your own course, which can be a very time-consuming process? Or do you want to just purchase one done-for-you product that you can already now start selling almost immediately? How quick can you start with DWA if you want it to be your own business? You purchase, you learn everything, take 3 days, within 48 hours, you can be up and running with your own new digital marketing business. Because the course itself guides you step by step, A through Z, on how to set up your own systems, your website, your funnels, how to optimize your social media, and how to get started with posting on social media. So the reels and content that you post can actually be turned into cash and sales and success and fortune. So the goal here is to turn your likes into lifestyle and to turn your followers into a fortune. So you'll be learning exactly how to use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, even YouTube to your advantage, as well as Facebook, by the way. There's a pool of modules inside of DWA that you can just start learning with. I can tell you from a personal journey, when I started DWA, it was about 10 months ago, and I gave myself about 10 days to go through all the modules and really grasp the concept and learn everything, because let's be honest, I am not a very tech-savvy person, and things do take time for me to grasp for some reason. I think when it comes to tech, probably I'm a little bit of a slow learner. But the course is so beginner friendly that any person starting from scratch, complete beginner, can do this. Now, on my social media platform, especially on Instagram and TikTok, I share a lot of testimonials from people that have started as complete beginners and they have gotten great results. They have optimized their social media and they are reselling this digital course, which is DWA, and they're making a lot of profits. Some people start by making their first sale from the very first day. Some people take about a week to make their first day. Some people are making consistent sales within the first week of starting, and they consistently make 40K, 50K every single month. And then there's also people inside who have really taken their time to learn all the skills to the T, and they have already hit the 200,000 mark every single month. Which I know is crazy to think of somebody making $7,000 in the very first week or like $200,000 in the first month. Very insane numbers, but there are multiple examples where people have made millions with this business within just a span of 6 to 7 months, and it is very possible. Why? Because we are using social media platforms, and we all know social media platforms are global platforms where you will be serving and selling to the whole world. You are not limited to any location or any time. You can post whenever you like, you can work from wherever you want, you have complete freedom of time, freedom of location, and it also comes with freedom of finance. when you do it the right way. The key here is to learn all the modules. Once you know how to implement the steps, as I said, it's step by step, so beginner friendly, so user friendly, you will not miss out a thing. It almost feels like it's literally holding your hand and running you through the whole process, and you'll be able to set up your own business within the next 48 hours. Or if you're like me, take your time with it, give yourself at least 10 days to learn all the modules, and then implement all the steps step by step, and you'll have your own new business. And if you want to get inspired and watch testimonials, then go to my Instagram, go to the highlights section of my Instagram, where you will find all the testimonials from other people that are complete beginners, just like you and just like how I was about 10 months ago. So welcome to the world of digital marketing. Let me know if you have any further questions down in the comments below, and if you're about to start, the link is given right down in the description, also pinned in the comment section. And I also provide you with one-on-one mentorship with just very few selected people every single month, because there's only this much time that we have, and I really want to make sure that the people that I do work with, they really get somewhere with this. If you want that luxury to be working with me one-on-one, the mentorship call link is also given right below. DM me your Instagram or just email me and let's get you started. Because with mentorship, you are going to skip all the steps and you're going to get straight to the point and straight to business and start making sales already. The goal with my mentorship is to get you kickstarted with your business even quicker and get you to making sales faster. Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.